that I could do something. I mean, like, come on. It's raining and it's so stupid. And just like,
honey, you have to clean up your room. Oh, and by the way, Isabella's here.
oh, that's great. Hey, Isabela.
What's up?
So, my mom said we have to clean my room. Yeah. Well, like, is there someone there? Oh, hey.
It's my little brother Max. For Pete's sake, stop.
Max. Okay, you want to just leave him outside?
Yeah.
Max, you either come in or go out. Thank you. Okay. Oh, okay. No, okay. Get off of him. No.
You see me like,
Oh, it smells. Okay. Oh, let's look through. Hey, what's this? Oh my God, put that down. Oh, let go. What is it?
I'll put the line. Light.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
oh no. My mom will get killed literally.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Get the panda! No, man! Get the panda! Max! Run! No, Maxie, you're dead! Oh no, he's after me! No! You're self-saved!
I win.